Hey BlackBerry users, Todd here from niceblackberry.com. Today I'm going to give you a quick rundown of a new theme we've released. It's TBTT, it's the Best Today theme. We're going to demo this on our 9800 Torch running OS 6. We also have it available on demo videos. We also have it available demo video wise for a 9700 Bold running OS 5, a 9530 Storm running OS 5, and a 9000 running 4.6. So that'll show you the differences in operating systems. This is available for all devices running OS 4.6, 4.7, 5.0, and OS 6. So check it out. Alright, so let's show you. Right now we're in Zen mode. On the bottom you've got 10 icons. You have touchpad or touch screen, or you can use trackpad, full trackpad navigation. So from the profiles, if you go back up, you'll see you get the name of the app as you hover over top of it. From there, you can go down to any one of these that you have down here to enter those individual. If you'd like to set a wallpaper, go ahead, it'll show your wallpaper off just fine, and then you can do that. So from there in the banner you can also go over to your clock, where you have access to your clock, you have access to manage connections, you have access up in the top to your universal search. So when it's blue, click it, it'll take you into universal search, and then you can go back over to your profiles icon. So that's kind of the first point of this. Then what you can do is, if you want, open up the keypad and you can go Alt-T. This is going to bring up, it's going to set to an on state, a today style theme. This has messages and calendar. It shows 3 messages and 4 calendar entries, and basically you can hover over top of any of those to preview them. So I'm on profiles, I can go down to my messages to view my messages, or if I need to go into any of my calendar entries. This is going to stay up until you turn it off, okay? Escape, if you hit the escape key, it doesn't get rid of it, so you're going to have to go in and turn it off if you want it off. But you can turn all of this, you can turn it on and off. So that's the first thing that you get. This utilizes a little smaller font because that's what some people seem to want. Plus, with all of the spaces, a real large font, it really breaks up the preview. So what we've done in this to correct that issue is we've also given you, if you want a larger font, a Hidden Today preview theme. So if you go ahead and open your keypad again, now what you want to do is, let me go up, let's go down here, we'll stay down on the bottom. Now what we can do is you can hit Alt-Y. That's going to bring up your Hidden Today preview. So if I hover over top of, let's say, calendar, it shows me up to 8 calendar entries where I can go there and I can hover over top and view them. So that's how that works. On OS 6 you can use your main message icon, text messages, your calendar. You also get memo pad. If you hover over top of memo pad, you'll get your memos, task work, missed calls work, and then also your social feeds, depending on how you have those set up. As you can see, this utilizes a little larger of a font. So if you like the larger font, then you're set. Just switch over to the Hidden Today preview, which gives you much more of a, with the large font, it gives you much more of a preview, and it actually makes it worthwhile. So that's how that works on the Hidden Today. From there, let's go up, let's go in and set our own wallpaper. So what I'm going to do is, the Hidden Today is on now as referenced by the little icon over there, the HT. That lets you know that you have it on, so you don't leave your device sitting down with anybody can touch the calendar. So to turn that off, or to turn the regular Today screen off, go Alt-F. Now there's no icon, and obviously there's no messages, so now you're just in regular Zen mode, where you have your 10 icons, and no matter what, if you hover over top of a calendar, it's not going to show you any of your previews. So that's what you have there. Let's go set a wallpaper and show you what it looks like with your own wallpaper. So let me go down to my media. This is the main menu here, obviously. This is where you move all your icons around to make them show up on the bottom dock on the home screen. So basically, media. Let me go into pictures. Let me grab this picture here. I'll go set as wallpaper. So now that's set as wallpaper. I can end that out, go back to the home screen. Here's what you look like when you're in, kind of the Zen mode, if you will, with your own wallpaper set. So that's what you get there. Now you can go Alt-T, All right, this is going to open up your Today preview, and let's go up and show you what that looks like. So you hover over top of Messages. If you can tell, you get a little bit of an opaque box behind it. If you need it to be darker, just hit the space key, and that is going to bring up another kind of a backdrop. And it's going to make it a little bit darker for you to be able to view this. Just so you know, when I hit the space key, I have Quick Launch set up, so it will open Quick Launch, but it also works with this. If you don't have Quick Launch, you don't need to worry about it, but I use the space key as my shortcut for Quick Launch. So that's that. Go ahead, and now you've got that. If you hit your Escape key, that's going to go away. So as you can see now, it's gone, and you just have your regular preview. So that's what you have with your kind of standard Today style. Now if you go over, let me hover over top of Calendar. Now let me hit Alt-Y. That's going to bring up my my Hidden Today. So here's what your Hidden Today looks like with your own wallpaper. Again, you need a backdrop, space key, and there it gives you the backdrop that will allow you to see a little bit, to see your entries a little bit better. So that is how that basically works with your own wallpaper set. Escape gets rid of that. So there you go. Let's show you, since we have the wallpaper set, let's show you real quick what it looks like. Flip it over into Landscape. Here's what you get in Landscape. You basically get, you got 8 bottom dock icons. Profiles up top. You can go to Clock. You can go to Manage Connections. You can also go up to your Universal Search here in Landscape mode. And on the bottom dock, you've got 8 icons that are configured in the order that you have them in your full menu screen. So that's what you get there. And obviously your own wallpaper. Your own wallpaper shows through, and it is kind of switched over. So flip back. Now to change the wallpaper back to the original state, go Menu again and go to Options. Click Options, and now just go to Reset Wallpaper. Okay, that's going to reset it. Now you can hit End. You're back on your home screen. It's reset. Flip it over into Landscape. Here's your Landscape mode, and the wallpaper's reset. So that's how you do that, and that's it. That should conclude everything, and it should give you a great a great little taste of what this has to offer. There's tons of features here, so it's basically a 3-in-1. Check it out on another device if you want to see it. But this is TBTT, the Best Today theme, demoed on a 9800 Torch running OS 6. Thanks for watching. For this and all of our other great stuff, go to niceblackberry.com. Thanks.